I want you to do this, and YouTube algorithm will love your videos. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like and leave a comment. Tell me where are you watching from, and if you are existing subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my content. It's because of you that I am doing these videos. Now I want us to talk about YouTube algorithm and the things you need to do for YouTube algorithm to accept your videos or to push your videos. Yes, one of them is pushing or uploading a content that people want. Yes, a lot of us are not even thinking about our community, our YouTube community. We are only thinking about what we think is right or what we think is best for us, and not what people want. Let me tell you guys, on YouTube, the best thing to do is to do things that people want, to do the type of content that people want, and not what you want as a person. Because if you focus on what you want, man, people are not going to watch that content because it's all about you. And yet, in the first place, you're not shooting these videos for yourself, you're shooting them for people. Yes, so for you to get or be pushed by YouTube, or for you to be able to grow on YouTube, you actually need to upload videos that people want. What are people searching for? What is trending? What do they like? That is what you have to upload. That is what you have to put out here. Yes, not what you want as a person. Yes, and then the other thing that you'll have to do is being consistent. Definitely, if you are this person who is uploading once in 2 months, like, how is YouTube algorithm going to push your content? Because even if it is 2, you'll upload today, then you have to wait. It has to wait for you in the next 2 weeks. It has to wait for you in the next 1 month, and then again. By the time you're putting up another video, it has forgotten you. It does not know you. You have to more like you have to introduce yourself. You see? Yes, but if you put up video back to back, yes, before you put up a video today, and as it is still trying to push that video, you put up another video. As you're still trying to push another video, another one is in. Like, you're giving it work. You're giving the YouTube AI work to do. Like, it's like you're telling them, I am here. Like, I don't have an excuse. Like, you don't have to give me an excuse as to why you should not push my content. I am here. Like, definitely your videos are going to be pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed. Yeah, so because each time you upload a video, and YouTube has to also suggest it to people, and depending if it's in the interest of people, it means people will first of all watch that video. So it means the more they watch, the more YouTube is pushing it to more people. The more they watch, the more YouTube is pushing it to more people. But the more they watch and they maybe lose interest, the less YouTube is recommending you. That is why I began with put up content that is of the interest of people. Like, put up videos that people want to watch, not what you want to watch. Because if it's what they want to watch, definitely YouTube is going to push you and you more and more and more and more. Yes, so you really need to work on that. The other thing that you'll have to do is to follow trends that are within your niche. Yes, you don't have to look for things that are trending that you don't even know how to explain about, or you don't even know how to give your opinion or react about, because you might try to do things that are outside your niche and still they won't be of help to you, because people know you because of what you do and not because of anything you put up on a channel. Yeah, so just try to also look at the trends, like what is trending, like what's going on within your niche. What are people searching about recently? Let me assume, if let me just give you an example. Actually, if I'm apparently that I talk about or teach more about YouTube tips and growth. Yes, what is trending within that niche? What people want to know? Do they want to know more about niches? Do they want to know about how to start a YouTube channel, how to gain subscribers, how to gain views? Like, what are people searching for mostly? Like, what is trending at the moment in terms of what I am doing on YouTube? Yes, so just ensure that you follow up on trends that within your niche. Yes, by doing that, it will even help you push your videos. YouTube will push your content, because YouTube is a people pleaser. What people want is what it will give them. Yes, it will not, people, someone will not ask for bread and it gives him a stone. No, it's, remember, YouTube is more like an entertainment app. Yes, people put up content, education content, but more like in an entertaining way. Of course, they are learning. You're there to learn, but at the same time to laugh. You're there to learn, but at the same time, like, make yourself be a better person. Yeah. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you. I want to thank you so much if you have watched until this end. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I do have other videos just right here. Just take time and watch them. Leave a comment and tell us what you want us to talk about. It has been your girl Alice Amy, and see you in another video.